Welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to insert batteries to STEELSERIES Rival 3. So, firstly, we should open the cover. To do that, just do it in this way. So you should pull out this cover, as you can see. And here we have place for batteries. So here we have a AAA battery, so AAA, and you can insert it in this way. As you can see, here we have spring inside, and we should locate it in this way. But you should know that this mouse works even with one battery, like with two. So for example, I can insert just only one battery, enable it, and as you can see, it works. But of course it's better to have two batteries inside. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful for you. Bye. See you.